as the day gets cold, my heart gets.
Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, as you must have read by the thumbnail, I will be coloring my hair pink and I'm super excited for this video. So let me first tell you all, the color that I'll be using is not an actual hair color. It won't change the color of your hair. This is just hair makeup. Yes, you heard it right. There is no lightening of your hair, no bleaching or no dyeing processes involved in this. It's just makeup for your hair basically. So if this is something new for you all and you are curious to know what it is, this video is for you. In this video I will be explaining everything. This is the color. This is called hair makeup. This is by brand Anveya. If you guys don't know the brand, I have linked these colors in the description so you guys can check that out. So first I'll show you guys all these colors and then I'll show you the application process and review on these. Let me first answer a few basic questions. What this is. It is a temporary color. This is perfect for those who want colored hair but cannot commit to actually coloring it or dyeing it. Of course, because hair color do damage your hair at least a little bit, so this is nothing of that sort. It just coats your hair with the color. It's like makeup. It is really fun and easy to use, and as soon as you wash your hair it is gonna go off, so there is no commitment involved.
Let's start with unboxing the products. The brand is Anveya and these are Anveya's Colorisma hair color makeup, which can be used by both men and women, and these are instant hair color makeup which are their newly launched, and right now these are available in 4 shades.
Now I'll show you the application process, and the color that I'll be trying out in this video is this summer pink color. If you don't want to ruin your clothes, wear some old clothes and it is gonna wash off easily with water, so don't worry.
Will you regret me?
The first step is to detangle your hair. Make sure your hair are detangled properly, and then if you are creating highlights, which I am doing in this video, I will be creating highlights. In that case you have to section your hair and then squeeze out the desired amount of the color from the tube and apply the color to the hair strands with your fingertips. Yes, there is no need to use any gloves. You can directly take it on your hand and apply it. It doesn't damage your skin or your hair, but all you have to do is you have to condition your hair properly before and after using this hair color, and you can build up the color as much as you wish. And guys, the fragrance of this color is so good. I really love the fragrance of this. And you guys can use comb again to detangle and apply the hair color more precisely, but I didn't do that. I only used my fingertips.
Talk to me.
It is ideal to air dry your hair, but if you are in hurry you can use hair dryer and you will be all done.
Now I'm gonna air dry the hair, then I'll show you the result. It looks so good. I'm obsessed. I would highly recommend these hair colors.
Keep it hard, I won't mind. Baby, running will be better anyway. Hold my hand for a while, even if
Okay, so guys, as you saw the application process, it was super easy, and once the hair dries it doesn't transfer much, and if you guys have really light hair then it will turn more like a pink. In the pics it looks like red, but in actual it looked kind of dark pink color. As my hair, you can see I have already colored and bleached my hair, so on my hair it looked like that. Now let's move to another question, where to get it. So I have already told you, I have linked the products in the description so you can easily get them. In my case, these were sent to me by the brand itself for Instagram collaboration.
So moving on.
For the shades guys, they currently have, I showed you 4 in this video. You guys can also mix these shades and then use it. You really don't have to use only one shade. In case you get multiples of these, you can mix and match and create your own shade. It is hair makeup, guys. You can experiment and have fun with it just like you do with makeup. So do whatever you like. You can either create highlights or you can apply it all over your hair. It totally depends on you. Now for our next question, which is how vibrant will these colors look? The color will depend on your current hair color. If you have bleached or pre-lightened hair, then the color will be more vibrant because it will show more on light hair color. And if you have dark hair color, it will give a subtle hue. It might not give a very vibrant color. So definitely it depends on your hair color and hair texture and how much you apply, because if you apply it less, it will look subtle, and if you apply more, it will give more vibrant look. So there are a lot of factors to take into consideration. How to remove the color? It is really easy to remove this hair color. You don't really need a shampoo to clean it off. All you have to do is wash your hair with water. It's gonna come off with water so easily. It cleanses off really well. But on the other side, it can also be a disadvantage, because in case you are outside and suddenly it starts raining, then the color will transfer. It's gonna come off. So that is a big problem. So you have to take into consideration the weather and then have to work with it. It's the same way, just like makeup. When it's dry, it doesn't transfer much. You can definitely see a little bit of it on your hands if you touch them a lot, but other than that, it's nothing to worry about. It doesn't bother much. Also, it doesn't stain your pillowcase. I have tried it. I slept with the hair color on. My pillowcase didn't get any stain, and even if it did, we can really wash it off with water. It doesn't stain the clothes. Now the major question is, what is the price? Guys, you don't really have to worry. These Anveya hair colors are so affordable and not at all expensive. These are less than 400. It depends on the shade. So the pink and blue one are of $299 and the gold and grey is of $399. You guys can try it out and have fun. Also, one tube is of 30 ml. This one tube can be used many times. It totally depends on how you are using it. In case you are just creating highlights, obviously you are using less of it and it will last you for a much longer time than if you apply it to all your hair. It is not gonna last you that long. Also, it will depend on the hair length, hair thickness and how much you apply. So lot of factors come into the picture. So overall, for my final thoughts, I really love these colors. It is perfect for those who can't dye their hair or color them permanently. So it is a good option for you. The sun is going down. I have to turn on the lights. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching it. Also, if you have any more questions related to the hair makeup, then you can comment down below. And if you want me to try all the other 3 shades that I didn't show you in this video, you guys can let me know in the comments. I'll make a separate video for that. I don't want to stretch it anymore. This was it. I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.